So I wanted to make a video for everyone because I could find so little information about my Contessa. I did find this exploded diagram, which was really useful because then I knew what was going to be inside. So I lifted off the hot plate and yeah, it was pretty grubby. So a bit of wood was very useful, got that all cleaned up, and then started emptying the ash out of the top of the burner. So this is sitting on top of the baffle. Removed the baffle blocks, the sloped ones, and then had about half a kilo of ash, which wasn't great. Then I had to start getting rid of the baffles, and that was quite difficult, but sort of jiggle them around a wee bit, and eventually they came out. And then I just wanted to take some photos of the inside because I wanted the dimensions of all of the bricks, and I couldn't find those anywhere, so that's where they are. I'll put those at the end of the video as well. And these are just some photos of the interior at the top, made of ceramic board. Looking at the base and the sides, just wanted to get a sense of how many panels that I might have to replace. And then started to clean the flue with my flue brush. And that was the first lot. I've got a flue that has a kink in it, so then I had to go up on the roof and clean that bit. And that was the total amount of ash in the flue. And then finally we got the fire going, and awesome. Now, because it was so hard to find, here's that exploded diagram again, and I've also got a couple of other bits and pieces, the brick dimensions in case you need to replace your bricks, and also the parts list. Hopefully these are useful to people, given that they are a bit tricky to find. Thanks a lot.